Acrons is best known as a micro-investing platform that allows users to set up automated investments into a portfolio through roundups. Acrons rounds up a debit or credit card purchase made on a linked card to the nearest dollar and invests the change on behalf of the member. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for Acrons. So let's get started. First of all, open the app Acrons. After that, tap on the sign up option at the top left. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address. Enter the email address and then tap right here in order to ensure that you are a US resident, 18 years or older, and that you agree to the program agreement, privacy policy and auto debit authorization. After that, tap on create account. Now you need to create a password for your account. So create a secure password for your account and then tap on next. Now you need to enter your legal first name, legal last name and date of birth. So enter the details and then tap on next. After that, provide your contact information and then follow the further instructions provided. Finally, your Acrons account will be created. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.